Hi, welcome to AM Trading. Myself Tanuja. So today we'll be analyzing what are all the calls we have given last week. So QUAD call I gave support potential analysis on day chart time frame. QUAD 100% upward movement. So this is my profile ID is Tanuja K. So see, my profile ID is Tanuja K. So you can subscribe to my profile so that you'll be notified my ideas in your mail. And okay, let us analyze quad graphics. QUAD quad graphics. I have given a buy call 100% upward movement. So I gave a call for day chart. So here we need to buy 4.8 and stop loss is 4 and first target is 6.7 and the second target is 9.59. So we are on profit for QAD. And next is IndusFin, Indus Finance, Indus Finance Limited. So this is a BSE stock. So I give a call here 27.2 and the stop loss is 22.4 and the target is 41. So we are now the current value is 30.5. So we are on profit for Indus Finance. Next is natural gas by call at 2.5, target is 2.85. Natural gas, natural gas. So I'll go to 30 minutes chart. 30 minutes chart. So last time when I gave a sell call, here was the breakout happened, and now the value has crossed on upper breakout point. That's why I gave a call at 2.5 somewhere here, and the target expected was 2.85 or 3.005 somewhere. Okay, so target expected was that, and we are on profit for natural gas also. And next is JSW Steel. JSW Steel. JSW Steel also I gave a call when the breakout happened. Breakout happened here 720 somewhere. So we are on profit. This was the first target 694 somewhere, and this is the second target. We are on profit for JSW Steel. And next is JSW Steel. Next is Adani into BPCL, JSW Steel, JSW Steel, BPCL, BPCL, BPCL. Next is BPCL. I gave a call when the breakout happened somewhere here 325 and the value is 317.8. So we are on profit for BPCL. Next is Adani Enterprise. So I gave a call when the breakout happened. You can refer to my previous videos also. So there I clearly explained when to take a sell call. So here the breakout happened and here also it's a confirmation we got. So here 1700 somewhere, I gave a call. So now the value is 1296, but the lowest price it reached is 1100, and we gave a call from, we gave a target is 1050, so we can book the profit over here 1100. So target reached almost for Adani Enterprise, and next is gold sell call we gave, that is also achieved. JSW Steel, JSW Natural Gas, Indus Finance, JSW Steel, BPCL. It's keep on going upside. Analysis gold downward movement 30 minutes, so target is 1080 and 1016. You can XAU, USD, gold. So target given was 1820, 1816 and 1813. So target achieved for gold also. So we are on profit for gold also. So that's it. And Nestle India. One more is Nestle India. Nestle India. I gave a call somewhere here 1070, and now the value is 1600. So first target was given 1500. First target achieved. So we are on profit. Second target is 17,500. So first target achieved, and another is SBI Life. I gave SBI Life. So refer to my old videos. So I have given call for that. So here breakdown happened. Here somewhere. So we are on a profit 1164, 1020. So if it continues like this, so we can expect the target up to 750 for SBI Life. Okay, hope everyone got my logic. So for detailed logic, you can refer to my previous videos. I have analyzed everything. What are all the updates I have given? So it will help you to analyze how the call works. Okay. So almost all the calls we are on profit. So hope you are all enjoying my calls, and you are getting what logic I'll be using. Mainly, I'll be using trading breakout strategy. So maximum I'll be using that strategy, and sometimes other strategy also I'll use, but I prefer to stick on particular strategy which will maximize your consistent profit. So if you are interested in my ideas, you can subscribe here in trading view, or this is my Twitter handle, am underscore trading 92, or this one YouTube channel at trading breakout strategy. You can subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's it for today. Not today. That's it for analysis. I'll be making another video for the stocks which we need to look for today. So mainly, I'll pick the stocks from NSE India. So that I'll be covering it next video. Thank you. Happy trading.